everyone, and welcome back to The Recipe Rookie, the show where I'm teaching myself how to cook one dish at a time. Today we're making another Disney classic, Canadian Cheddar Cheese Soup. This creamy, cheesy goodness comes directly from the Cellier Steakhouse in EPCOT at the Canadian Pavilion. I cannot wait to see how it turns out, Recipe Rookie style. Before we start, let's talk about the inspiration behind this dish. At EPCOT, the Canadian Pavilion is one of the most gorgeous areas in all of the World Showcase. Designed to look like the Canadian Rockies, complete with waterfalls, lush, beautiful gardens, and even a replica of the famous Chateau Laurent in Ottawa, Canada. Did I even say that right? You tell me in the comments. And at the heart of it all is Le Cellier Steakhouse, a restaurant designed after a cozy wine cellar, famous for its incredible steaks, which I love the filet from that. When you go to Food and Wine Festival, they always have a little piece of the filet and a little bit of this cheddar cheese soup I'm making today. Did you know that cheddar cheese soup is a comfort food and very popular in Canada? It is believed to have originated from British and French influences, as both cultures are known for their love of cheese-based soup. This particular version is a Disney classic that people come from all over the world to try, and has been a favorite for years. It's rich, creamy, and of course has a little bit of kick from the Worcestershire sauce and Tabasco sauce. All right, enough of me talking. Let's cook. Let's talk about the ingredients we'll be using today. 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 cups of milk, 3/4 of a pound of white cheddar cheese, 1/2 pound of bacon cut in half pieces, 1 medium red onion, 3 celery ribs chopped up, chopped scallions for garnish, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of chicken stock. Now the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce, but here at Recipe Rookie, we like crystal. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, I can say it right now. Salt and fresh pepper for taste. And last but not least, 1/2 cup of beer. Elysian Space Dust. Before we head over to start cooking, I've got to cut up this bacon into 1/2-inch pieces, so I get to use the knife. And I washed my hands ahead of time today, because what soup doesn't go great with bacon? So that's about 1/2 inch. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Use the back part of the knife, works a lot better. I didn't have to get out the ruler today. Should I though? Let's see. That's 1/2 inch. Look at me. Who needs a ruler? I just know what a 1/2 inch looks like now. All right. Let's go here with this one. This cut on my hand is not from this knife. Where can I put all this? Just over here? You go over there. I should have kept it all together. I'm realizing I'm going to put, instead of doing this strip by strip, I'm going to put all those together. Okay. Let's put all these together on one. Yeah, that's a little bit smarter. Okay, yeah. Work smarter, not harder. Get this all cut. This is one of my favorite soups, so I look forward to eating this every time. I remember we didn't go growing up. My parents were not a fan of the Canadian Pavilion, so we never ate there, and later on in life, I realized the power that it possessed. I think I'm done cutting, so let's go head over to the stove. So I've got my 1/2 pound of bacon right here that I cut up, and now I'm gonna put it in this pot, let it get crispy on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Okay. Get all that in there. Wooden spoon. Okay, let's make sure it's all. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
All right, 5 minutes, starting now.
Look at you working for me today, huh? Welcome back, Google.
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
Enough. Okay, let's stir that up some. Ooh, that smells good. So this should crisp up under medium heat. Supposed to brown though. There's only 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Doesn't look like it's ready. Where's my beer? Hey Google, stop timer. So that's been 5 minutes. Let me look at my little recipe here. It says about 5 minutes. So
Results on search.
no, Google, stop. I'm not doing that. So I've gotten this recipe here out of the Cooking with Mickey and the Disney Chefs. Medium heat about 5 minutes or until lightly browned. It doesn't look brown enough to me, so let's just put this over here too. Hey Google, set a timer for 2 minutes. Let's do 2 more minutes.
Got it. 2 minutes. And that's starting now.
Smells fantastico. Okay, it's starting to brown, but we're gonna go with it here. Hey Google, show me that timer. Stop moving it off the screen. Yeah, it's definitely browning. Okay, we're gonna go with this. Hey Google, stop timer. Okay, now that the bacon is done, we're gonna add the chopped red onion. And we're sauteing all the vegetables now. Okay, that's good. All right, I guess I should get all of it out of there. Whoop. And the 3 celery ribs. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now, what else? And the butter. Okay. Okay, hey, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, so this is going to go 5 minutes, and we're going to basically cook these until the vegetables get nice and soft. Wow, I am so excited if this actually works. Usually I have people here.
Results on search.
I'm talking, Google! Hey, Google, show me the timer. That's all I want. Okay, look at this. Am I supposed to stir?
I don't know, but I found these.
I'm not talking to you! Google, show the timer! Hey, Google, show the timer.
You've got 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining.
Okay, stop listening to me. Okay. I'm getting the 2 cups of chicken stock ready. Oh God, I'm gonna drop this. It's getting heavy. Whisk. I need a whisk. Okay, I got a whisk. Wow, this smells incredible right now. Okay, this sauteing the vegetable part is starting to stress me out. Stressed a little bit because there's so many moving parts and I don't have any help. And I guess, should I try one of these onions? See what? Ow. Oh yeah, they're getting soft. Hey Google, stop timer. All right, it's time to make the roux. So we're gonna add the 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna stir it constantly for 4 minutes, okay? This will help thicken the soup and give it that velvety texture. So here we go. All right, all in there. Hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes, and I'm gonna be constantly stirring.
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
Hey Google, show me the timer and stop listening to me. Okay, it's definitely thickening. After the 4 minutes, I'm gonna put in the chicken stock and basically bring it to a boil for 1 minute and whisk it. My arm's getting tired. Hey Google, show me the timer. I hate that you will constantly not show me the timer. Hey Google, show me the timer.
T-minus 1 minute and 55.
I need like a real timer here. No! God!
Now.
I can't talk because the idiot will hear me. Gotta switch hands. Can I touch this? Yeah. It definitely, as you can see here, has thickened up. Almost there. I do enjoy doing this though. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's enough stirring for now because I gotta get ready for the next part. This is 2 cups chicken stock. I'm gonna slowly whisk it in. This is really hard. I should have done it with my left hand. Okay. Now I gotta whisk. Look at this. This looks like soup. Okay, hey, Google, set a timer for 45 seconds. Am I supposed to whisk the whole time? I gotta be ready with the milk. Reduce heat to a simmer. Okay, so I should probably put it on simmer. Does that make a sense? We got 15 minutes now. It's going. Simmering. This looks like mashed potatoes. Stirring occasionally. I'm not gonna over stir. Okay, so apparently this is where the magic happens. After the 15 minutes, I'm gonna add the milk and let it simmer again. Okay, 3, 2. Hey Google, stop timer. Okay, we're gonna add the 4 cups of milk to this and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. One. Now, we want the heat to stay on a simmer so it keeps that soft and creamy texture. Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes. Okay, the timer is almost done and it's about to be the best part, where we add 3/4 of a pound of cheddar cheese. Fun fact, cheddar cheese originated in England, but Canada is one of the top producers of cheddar cheese in the world. So it only makes sense that they would make this soup. Hey Google, stop timer. Okay, here we go with the 3/4 of a pound of cheddar cheese. Okay, we got that all in there. Get that mixed in. Okay. Well, that's getting in. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. The Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, that's in there. And let's not forget the beer. All right. Now let's stir. All right, we're gonna let this melt and then I'm gonna put it in a bowl and we're gonna try it. Okay, it's the moment of truth. It's looking just like it, but we need to add the chives to for presentation. That's what we're dealing with. The cheddar cheese soup from the Canadian Pavilion at Cellier Steakhouse. Another Disney classic. Let's see what we got. Oh. I think I have successfully pulled this off. Wow. All right, we have Austin here. Austin, this is the cheddar cheese soup at EPCOT. It's from the Cellier Steakhouse. Please try it. Okay, have a nice day. Another recipe rookie success. It's rich, creamy. It has a little bit of a heat from the Tabasco and the Worcestershire sauce. I feel like I'm at EPCOT right now. I'm at EPCOT. Look at this. The ball's right behind me. If you love cheddar cheese, you will love this recipe. Let me know down in the comments. I want to thank everyone for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you like this recipe, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another episode of The Recipe Rookie. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this episode, or if there's something you want to see me make, please write it down below. I need some ideas. I'm going through all the Disney cookbooks right now, but if you have something you're like, you know what, I want to see Josh make this, write it down below, and I will see you next time on The Recipe Rookie. Let's cook. Oh, I'm recording. Hi, recording. But Canada is the blah, blah. And I'm gonna stir it constant. I forgot to record that. And, oh, you didn't see that. Okay, look at this. Am I supposed to stir?
I don't know, but I found these.
I'm not talking to you! Google, show the timer. Usually I have people here.
Results on search.
I'm talking, Google. Hey, Google, show me the timer. That's all I want. Hey, Google, show me the timer and stop listening to me. Hey, Google, show me the timer. I hate that you will constantly not show me the timer. Hey, Google, show me the timer. No!